Hey there, my loyal subscribers. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the most incredible marvels on wheels. Today, I've got something truly special in store for you, a countdown of the top 7 most mind-blowingly expensive cars in the world. Buckle up, because we're about to take a ride on the Luxury Express. Number 7, McLaren P1LM. Kicking off our list is the mesmerizing McLaren P1LM. With a jaw-dropping price tag of millions of dollars, this masterpiece boasts a mind-boggling 986 horsepower. It's a hybrid beast that can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Can you imagine the adrenaline rush? Number 6, Lamborghini Veneno. Prepare to have your breath taken away by the Lamborghini Veneno. This Italian beauty is priced at an astronomical amount, making it one of the rarest and most exclusive cars in the world. With a top speed of 220 miles per hour, it's a statement of power and elegance. Only a lucky few can ever dream of owning this masterpiece. Number 5, Bugatti Chiron. Get ready to be blown away by the engineering marvel that is the Bugatti Chiron. With an astonishing price that can buy you a mansion, this hypercar is renowned for its mind-blowing speed. Imagine accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.3 seconds. It's a testament to the limitless possibilities of luxury and speed. Number 4, Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Luxury reaches new heights with the Rolls-Royce Sweptail. This one-of-a-kind creation was tailor-made for a billionaire car enthusiast, and its price reflects its exclusivity. The Sweptail is a symbol of opulence and unmatched craftsmanship, with only the finest materials adorning its interior. It's a true work of art that will leave you in awe. Number 3, Koenigsegg CCXR Tre Vita. Hold on tight, because we're diving into the world of the Koenigsegg CCXR Tre Vita. Priced well into the millions, this Swedish masterpiece is adorned with a special diamond-weave carbon fiber body. With its ferocious power and stunning design, it's a car that turns heads wherever it goes. Prepare to be mesmerized. Number 2, Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero. When it comes to luxury, the Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero sets a new standard. Valued at a staggering amount, this one-of-a-kind beauty has been cherished by collectors and celebrities alike. Its sleek design, coupled with its V12 engine, delivers an unmatched driving experience. Get ready to dream big. Number 1, Aston Martin Valkyrie. Drum roll, please. Reaching the pinnacle of our list is the legendary Aston Martin Valkyrie. This hypercar is a true masterpiece, with a price tag that will make your jaw hit the floor. It combines cutting-edge technology with aerodynamic perfection, resulting in a car that's truly out of this world. Prepare to have your mind blown.